I received an email from MultiPick a few weeks ago asking if I would be interested in reviewing a product they had. And they sent me this kit, which is the MultiPick Elite 39-piece Look Noob Essential Selection set. And there were the picks that Look Noob selected that he would use on a regular basis. And I'm going to try and do a good review on these. I'm going to go over each pick that's in here and each turning tool that's in here and give my honest opinion. So we'll begin. The MultiPick Elite case is made of high quality leather. The stitching is very, very good. No loose threads. The flap is Velcro. And it's a trifold case. And it has a leather flap to protect the tips of the picks. Now it has three main sections. The first section can hold 10 picks. The second section here can hold as many as 12 picks. And the last section here can hold about 10 picks. Plus you have these little pockets can hold turning tools. You see these. And also top the keyway turning tools. Now we'll get to looking at the picks. This is the 39-piece Look Noob Essential Kit. It has 11 hooks in them. 6 of the hooks are in 0.4 and 5 of them are in 0.6. There's also 3 picks that are in 0.6, a half diamond, a ball, and a probe. Now the finish on these are exceptional, polished and laser etched both sides. It has the serial number and the date in which they were manufactured and the model number. The pick itself is smooth. There are no rough or sharp edges anywhere to be found on this pick or its handle. It's a full tang pick. And the 6 is the same way. Finish is identical. Again, it's smooth as it can be, highly polished. No sharp edges whatsoever. And it also has identification. Now these picks, as you can see, come in different widths. Some of them are the Euro style, very, very low profile on the pick itself. Some are wider, depending upon the keyway, as to the width of the pick itself. And let's do a little test and pick a lock with one of these hooks. We'll use this Brinks purple deadbolt lock, and we'll put this in the vise and we'll pick it with this P07 hook and one of the many turning tools that are in this kit. Now the pick goes in smoothly, does not catch on anything. We'll start in the middle with this probe, and this is usually used with tubular locks like these. These have their pin tumblers in a vertical position going down this way. And what you do is you get a tool, turning tool, some of them call a goat tool. This goes in here and it gives tension to the core. While this is in place, the probe goes down and depresses each of the vertical pins till they're set. You'll hear a click, and you go around and round and round until the core turns and it opens up. This probe can also be used as a bypass tool. Those locks that don't have a protective guard up top usually can get this in there. Worked very well off camera. There we go. That popped it. And this ball, this is used for wafer locks, like this one here. Let's see here. Maybe a narrower end. See, it's locked. Work the ball in to the back, and then you just sort of rock it. There we have an open. And let us try one of these wave rakes. I have a puck lock here. And we'll use this quint. Get that in there. I can hold this. Is very heavy, cumbersome. Again. There we go. And we'll use the good old master number 3. We'll use the Abona. Let's see. We'll try the double peak, twin peak. There we go. And we'll do the good old, what is this one? This is the Abona. This has 4 peaks, highs and lows. Oh, that was quick. Okay, so there we have the MultiPick rakes. All of them are of the same quality as the rest of the pick set, finished just as nicely and etched to perfection. The 39-piece Look Noob Essential Elite Pick Set comes with 16 tension tools. We have 5 bottom of the keyway tension tools, and we have 6 top of the keyway tension tools, as well as shutter lock tension tools and temple tension tools. Now the twists, they are in 0.8 millimeters. They have 2 different widths. And we have 2 more bottom of the keyway tensioners. They come in a width of 0.3 millimeters wide and 0.5 millimeters. And they have 2 different types. They have a narrow and they have a wide. It also comes with a Z wrench. It is also 0.8 millimeters thick, and it comes with 2 heads, wide and a narrow. Here we have shutter tension tools. These go in like automobile door locks to hold the shutter open, or you can stick your picks through. This is fixed. This one is on a spring. Remove the washer. And this is keeping the tension tool in the keyway, as well as pushing the shutter open to allow you to pick. And we have 3 temple pry bars, basically. And they come in a 1.5 and 1.2 millimeter thickness. And one is slightly tapered to go into various temple locks. And then we have 3 pry bars. They're in 1.2, 1 millimeter, and 0.8 millimeter. And they're for locks that have faces that are flush to the bottom of the lock, and then those locks that are recessed. These also have teeth on both ends to make a good, sure purchase on the core. So these are the 16 tension tools that come with the 39-piece Look Noob Essential Elite Pick Set. This is my review of the MultiPick 39-piece Look Noob Essential Kit. It has everything just about that you need for picking for the intermediate to advanced picker. My only suggestion for this kit would be to include more right angle wiper blades, different widths, different thicknesses. That's the ones that they have here are a bit thin, and they're twists, and I think a straight wiper blade tension tool, different widths, would be a good addition to this kit. So I highly recommend this kit if you have the budget for it. It's fairly complete. It has 2 different thicknesses of hooks, variety of rakes, some additional tools, and a good assortment of turning tools, tension tools, and temple picks. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.